With the proclamation of the Declaration of World Peace on May 25, 2013, HWPL, an NGO associated with the UNECOSOC, was established to create a world of peace free of wars. HWPL is carrying out peace initiatives in 170 countries around the world. HWPL aims to develop a legal instrument that will ensure peace in the world so that people can live in harmony, transcending borders, race, and religion. On March 14, 2016, the 10 Articles and 38 Clauses of the Declaration of Peace and Cessation of War was proclaimed. In May 2018, HWPL introduced the DPCW to the UN permanent representatives of 145 countries. Receiving the support from the international community, the DPCW will be submitted to the UN in the form of a draft resolution. Specifically, the governments of Eswatini, Seychelles, Comoros, and Antigua and Barbuda declared their official support for the DPCW. The Central American Parliament passed a resolution in support of the DPCW, and Pan-African Parliament, the legislative body of the African Union consisting of 55 African countries, signed an MOU with HWPL supporting the DPCW. Furthermore, various European political leaders and experts in the fields of education and law support the peaceful unification of the Korean Peninsula, which is a symbolic measure to cease wars and achieve peace. They are carrying out various activities as the Advisory Council. Currently, advocacy activities supporting the implementation of the DPCW, such as Legislate Peace Campaign and Peace Letter Campaign, are being carried out around the world by the civil society. People around the world are becoming one with HWPL and establishing a peace network in the fields of politics, education, religion, media, youth, and women's organizations. Religious leaders are taking the lead in building peace and ceasing conflicts via 250 HWPL warp offices in 128 countries. Peace education awakens students' recognition of the value of living as a citizen on this earth in the era of peace. HWPL Peace Education curriculum is being introduced not only to the educational institutions, but also at the governmental level. Through peace education, our children will grow as peace messengers and protect a lasting peace in the world. HWPL World Peace Summit, a festival to the family of peace, is a time to witness achievements made for peace and to commit to the work of peace that needs to be done in the future. At the September 18th HWPL World Peace Summit held in 2014, where around 200,000 participants gathered, the implementation of international law for peace and achievement of religious harmony was proposed as the solution to build a peaceful world. At the 4th annual commemoration of the HWPL World Peace Summit held in 2018, MOAs and MOUs were signed with many international organizations, including 5 ministries of education and major media agencies in 12 countries, to spread a culture of peace. Through 30 World Peace Tours visiting 71 countries, heads of state, prime ministers, chief justices, and religious leaders became a part of HWPL Peace Advisory Council, and journalists around the world became HWPL publicity ambassadors, taking the lead to publicize HWPL's peace activities. As a result of the efforts to resolve the conflict in Mindanao, Philippines, January 24th Mindanao Peace Agreement Day was declared. Also, HWPL days such as Declaration of World Peace Day and September 18th World Alliance of Religions Day were designated in various countries around the world. The efforts to remember and commemorate peace are being achieved through HWPL Peace Museum, Library, and Peace Park. HWPL is making efforts with the world to cease wars and to leave a world of peace as a legacy to the future generations. The peace movement of HWPL, joined by all people around the world, will change the future of mankind to peace. For a new era of eternal prosperity that everyone has dreamed of, we will follow the path of peace together as HWPL.